These are red oak slabs that I had milled about 3 years ago with my chainsaw mill. Like many people, I started out with a chainsaw mill. It was kind of a cheap way to get into this, and I found out real quick it was not the most efficient way. So now that I have built my sawmill, I'm going to actually take these slabs, bring them over to the mill, and I'm going to resaw them into 2x8 boards that will then be further processed down and made into a workbench top for my friend's workshop.